I want to clear out this living room space. This is supposed to be a living room, but I use it as storage. I just put a bunch of things there. So I want to like take everything out. I want to free this space. You guys, I just said I should show you the room so you know what I'm working with. You see all these clothes, all these clothes. Okay, these are the ones that I'm using. All these clothes like this waste. So this room is just a mess. Are you guys seeing? Mop, everything is just a mess. Yeah, so I'll be clearing out this space completely when I'm done. I'll show you guys. You guys, so my room or my space is coming together. I don't care what you say. All these things going to the trash. All of them like trash. I beg. This corner is coming together. I just shifted my shoe shelf to this side. Now entering the kitchen. I always want to film videos when I cook and all whatnot, but this kitchen is very discouraging. It's very, very dark. That's the issue. Look at my gas cooker. Ah, my tabletop. Bruh. The kitchen is very somehow upside down. So I want to try and I'm going to arrange it, Sha. I can be the brand ambassador because it works. HCN just restored power, but I have to go and keep cleaning. So let me just plug my phone, plug my filming device, aka my phone, and I'll be back. Let me just, I've already showed you guys clips of the kitchen. So maybe when I'm now done completely with the room, maybe tomorrow, like I'll clean the room out today, don't get me wrong, but like when I can show you the after, I'll come back. Okay.